Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to download Cisco Packet Tracer. This software will help you for networking practice. So simply go to the Google and type Cisco Packet Tracer download, and you will find the website www.netcat.com. Click on this and you will open and find the download link. So this is very simple and easy way to install and download, and this software is very handy for networking practice, and every engineer should have this Cisco packet tracer software to do better practice. So click here, getting started with the Cisco packet tracer, and click with the view shows. Now you will redirect it for the skills for all. Click on this and this website will open, and follow all steps and don't miss any step. If you miss steps, you will not able to install and download this software. Choose the preferred language as you want. Here is English is my preferred language, so get a start, and you can select according your language and then click get a start. Now here we'll have to create an account. If you have your account, log in with the same account, and I don't have account, so click on sign up. As you click on the sign up, this will be open in next thing. Here you to do, select your residence country. So I will select, because I'm from India, so I will select India, and then select year of birth. Now I will select this, and here you will select month, then click continue, and here you will type first name and last name and email address, password, then confirm password and create an account. Create an account, then log in back with account which have you created here. And now as you log in this, you'll find the welcome getting started with the Cisco packet tracer. Now here you will scroll down, and here you will choose your download link according your operating system. So here is the download. Here is the skills for source tab. Click on this link. As you click on this, you will find the download link Cisco packet tracer 8.1, the Mac for Ubuntu and Windows. So download processing is started. Now we pause this and then download it completed in my computer system. Now click on Cisco packet tracer, double click. So as you click on this, you will prompt to install this software in your computer. Click accept agreement, then click next, and again next, and click the desktop shortcut and quick launch. Click next and install them. So this is very easy installation process, and you follow the steps, because the every important thing that is, you should log in with the same page where you have downloaded, and don't sign out this, because this will need to activation process in the last. Click on the finish, then would you like to run with the multi-user, click yes. As the click yes, this will be open in your computer. Here you will have to do something important. Now skills for all, as you click, then click back. This will be redirected where you have login in your account. Now Cisco packet tracer is ready for the networking. You can perform and you can use the different tools which is here